patty cake. A warm welcome to my channel.
Want to get a taste of lip-smacking Goan cuisine? Then let's make a creamy and delicious mackerel fish curry Goan style, a Goan Bangda fish curry. Here I have 500 grams of mackerel. Remember that to make a tasty fish curry, you have to buy fresh fish. Fresh fish will be firm like this. And the gills will be red. The gills should not have a dull grey color. After cutting all the mackerels, I'll wash the fish pieces. I have washed the mackerel pieces well in plenty of water, particularly the mouth pieces. To these, I'll now add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's apply the salt and turmeric powder to the fish and then cover them and let them marinate for around 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's soak a small bowl of tamarind in a little hot water for around 10 minutes. Make sure to remove any bits of string and also seeds or fragments of the hard outer shell. Next, we'll move on to a special ingredient called sichuan peppers, also called Teplam or Tepal in Konkani. These are typically added to a Bangda curry to give it its characteristic flavor. We have to remove the large black seeds from inside and then crush the Teplam pods like this. Some people soak them in water for some time before adding them to the curry. Now let's prepare the masala for our Goan mackerel curry. I'm using spice powders in this recipe to make the grinding of the masala easier. To this grinder jar, let's add 1 cup of grated coconut, a small finely sliced onion, the soaked tamarind along with the water, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. If you want to add Kashmiri chilies, you could add 5 of them, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 6 garlic cloves, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll first add just a quarter cup of water and then add some more later on to grind the masala to a smooth paste. Like this. We don't have to add any oil to this curry, so I'll now directly transfer the masala to a pot. Add in the rinsing of the grinder jar and then add some more water, around a cup or so, to dilute the curry. The curry should be neither too thick nor too thin. Now let's stir in half a teaspoon of salt and the sichuan peppers and stir the curry and bring it to a boil. After it starts boiling, let's lower the heat and let the curry simmer for around 5 minutes so that all the different flavors from the masala get extracted into the curry. Next, let's gently add in the fish pieces and 2 slit green chilies and let the fish cook in the curry on medium-low heat for around 8 minutes. Do not stir the curry while the fish is cooking. Just hold the pot and swirl the curry around. Otherwise, you could accidentally break the fish pieces, and I don't want anything to go wrong with your fish curry. Also, don't overcook the fish, or else pieces of the flesh could fall off into the curry. And this applies to any fish curry. The fish has been cooking for around 8 minutes. So now I'll adjust the taste of the curry for salt if necessary. It tastes just fine. No need for any additional salt. You can see some oil floating on the top, right? That's the oil from the coconut. Finally, I'll turn off the heat, wait for around 5 minutes, and then serve the curry. You have to taste this curry to see how flavorful it is. This delicious Goan Bangda curry is best enjoyed with fluffy rice. We call this sheet kodi in Goa. Do give this flavorful Goan Bangda fish curry recipe a shot. And if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes like this. And hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye for now. And till we meet again, happy cooking!